Dear students, today we are going to discuss laws of refraction of light. As we know that refraction is due to change in the speed of light as it enters from one transparent medium to another. Experiment shows the refraction of light occurs according to certain laws. There are two laws which are known as laws of refraction. First is the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And second is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the light of a given color and for the given pair of media. This law is also known as Snell's law of refraction. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then the ratio of sine I upon sine R will be a constant, that is n. This constant value is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first. Second medium means the light is going into which medium, and first medium means the medium from where light is coming. Now we are having the topic refractive index. We know that refraction of light and the extent of the change in direction that takes place in a given pair of media is expressed in terms of the refractive index. That constant n in the previous formula, that is the refractive index. The refractive index is related to an important physical quantity, that is relative speed of propagation of light in different media as light propagates with different speeds in different media. Means every medium is having different speed of light, and that ratio of speed of light gives us the refractive index. Now consider a given figure. We are having a medium 1 which is air, medium 2 is glass which is denser. Now light is coming from air and getting into glass at point O. Then if V1 be the speed of light in medium 1 and V2 be the speed of light in medium 2, then the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is given by the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 and the speed of light in medium 2. So n to 1, this 2 is showing that this is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is the speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2, that is V1 upon V2, where n to 1 is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Now if you want refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2, it will be denoted by n12, and it is given by n12 is equal to speed of light in medium 2 divided by speed of light in medium 1, that is V2 upon V1. And if medium 1 is vacuum or air, then the refractive index of medium 2 is considered with respect to vacuum. This is called the absolute refractive index of the medium. Means if one medium is air or vacuum, that time the refractive index of the other medium will be absolute refractive index of that medium. And if c is the speed of light in the air and v is the speed of light in a medium, then refractive index of that medium nm is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in medium, that is c upon v. This nm is known as absolute refractive index. Thank you so much.